This is our fourth video in the beginner quilling series, and today's tutorial is going to be the marquee or the eye shape. On our previous video we saw how to make a teardrop. This marquee shape is almost similar to it, except that you pinch on both the sides. We'll see how to do it. So first you make a coil. Depending on how big you want your eye shape, you can loosen or keep it as it is. So I am going to loosen it a bit so that you are able to see clearly. So you can loosen it. After you have loosened, paste the edge of your strip and keep your glue bottle closed so that the needle doesn't clog up. So once you are done with the pasting up, pinch at the corner. So when you pinch at one end, you get a teardrop. Now you pinch on both the sides, you pinch on the opposite end too, you get a eye shape. This is called a marquee. So this look of this shape changes according to the size of your coil. So if you make a loose coil and then you pinch, it's going to give you a different kind of look. We did a previous teardrop here. This was slightly looser. So we are going to try this one. Pinch exactly on the opposite end. Otherwise your marquee is not going to look even. That's a marquee shape. Thank you.